All right, I'm showing my top 6 trends from the Kitchen and Bath Show in Las Vegas, starting with green. So much green, whether it be in appliances, as you see here, or in cabinetry. This one here is Signature Kitchen Suite, like a minty green. We've got this decoupage fridge from Monogram. These Kelly green and just teal greens, really rich. We're seeing still so much of it. And then you've got Kohler, who comes up with something a little bit bold, a little bit lighter. This mint green and the mint green sink as well, mixed with gold, still seeing with mixed with gold finishes. And then we've got tiles, a lot of tiles that have green in them. So green is not going anywhere. It's been around for quite a few years. We're also seeing it here with some of the other big trends, which is walnut that continues to be trending, gold finishes, and black.